Okay, so aespa season's greetings. Their season's greetings are always really, really good. So looking forward to this one. Have a fun like street, sports style. Okay, and so you get one random of 8 Polaroids. So I got Karina here. Awesome. Always happy to get Karina. Okay, we'll start with the desktop calendar, it seems. Alrighty. All right. Karina. Winter. I'm actually surprised they didn't give Winter January just because of her birthday, but super cute there. Ning. Giselle. Oh, okay. Kind of a mix of the blonde and the pink hair. Karina. Ning. Giselle. Winter. Ning. Karina. Giselle. And Winter. All right. And should be it. No group ones. Yeah, because it's 4 members, 12 months. Breaks out pretty well. Okay. Oh, right, yeah. Little book cover there. Does feel like back to school. Bad kids alert. I don't know. If you have any information concerning these 4 kids, please contact Mai immediately. It's cute. Alright, and then yeah, it's kind of a, it seems like this is the format that the other season greetings have done. It's kind of like this calendar diary thing, top of a couple of photos. Yep. Okay. So cute. Okay, great. Okay, this looks like a little inclusions box here. I guess the bottom had opened up, but I guess technically you're supposed to open it from the back, so we'll do that, I guess. Okay. Right. So there's 2 sets of photo cards. Bad Kids Record. All right. Love it. Super cute. Love the front, back, side profile for them. Very funny. Stickers. Some postcards. Alrighty. ridiculously long pencil. Oh man, super cute. She looks great. All right, yeah, they work really well with office attire as well. Yeah, let's go ahead with the 2 sets of photo cards. So yeah, these come standard. Kind of nice that they go with 2 sets. Yeah. Of the glasses on Karina. Of the winter, they're biting down on our ID card holder. So really cute. Ah, love the bubble gum. It's really cute too. Oh man. Oh, winter. So there she has with the fan light doll, also has biting down on it. So kind of really cute, funny. I hope they had fun with the shoot. Okay. And then yeah, they're always really generous with these A4 posters. Like they always, you know, it's more than one. So hopefully they have for at least one of each of the concepts, the street and the office. Love the bat. Oh man, the little, yeah, with her little fan light doll with a bat. That's awesome. That's funny. It's cute. Yep, cool. So 2 street and 1 office. Wow, that's great. Oh, missing one, Giselle, the office Giselle. Okay. Winters. Still has, yeah, Armamenter. There she goes. Oh man, really cute there. Then Ning. Great. Yep. Never disappoints. They look amazing. Very adorable. All right. That's it for the season's greetings for this. I think I'm just waiting on a couple of other ones, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to do a quick edit in. So I was putting everything away and I realized there's 2 posters that were sitting at the bottom of the box. So guess I should have been a little more thorough. So there's this one right here. And this one right here. So didn't want to shortchange it, that you do get 2 posters as well. All right, thank you.